Alright guys, we're going outside. We're going to try this radio. I don't even know if the battery's charged. Alright, so we're out here. We're going to use this. This is a maple leaf Q-soaking half-wave in-fed, whatever you want to call it. Just set the radio down on the chair. We got the coax down here. So this is just a piece of dollar tree wire. So I don't think we have a counterpoise on here. Actually, we do. Just a little bit of wire. But the goal when you do this kind of stuff is just to see if this will work, if it'll work easily or not. Okay, let's get the radio hooked up. All right, so this is really hard to film with a tripod, so I'm just going to hold the camera. Okay. Where did it go? Okay. We're on... I kind of don't like having the buttons up here, but let's see. Okay, tuner. We can do almost everything from the microphone anyway. Oh, the battery's almost dead. We're probably going to need to plug in. That is all solar. But then again, see, you can see I'm right next to it all. Boy, these birds around here, they don't stop. They're 24/7 making noise. Kilo Golf 7, Hotel Victor Romeo portable. Alright, I'm not even going to try again. Our battery's about to crap out. Alright, let's... I'm definitely going to need my battery. Yeah, we're not gonna probably. I don't think 10's open. I see a signal right here. This thing will tune anything. If not anything, it makes a great little radio to listen with.
Bye-bye, Todd. Hold on. think it was. This is November Yankee 2 Papa Oscar, next Pat. And I am Pat, Papa Alpha Tango. And I am in Glen Spey, New York. W7IMM, NY2PO, back to you.
So this is just my little antenna in the backyard. I mean, this is just, you know, and if you do this with a 100-watt radio, I mean, like, your chances of making a contact are a million times better. Well, regardless, we don't have enough battery to really make a contact. I mean, I might be able to get that guy. Also, don't forget about this band here, because sometimes there's some activity on here. I've made a few contacts on this band. I don't remember the frequency. Boy, it is getting warm out here. Kilo Golf 7 Hotel Victor Romeo.
Okay, I got somebody out there trying to call sign again.
I'm like, how lucky could I be? Not that lucky.
I got Kilo Charlie 8 Whiskey Bravo Romeo, is that correct? USL, I have you Hanover in Michigan. I got you about 5-9 here into Olathe, Kansas, sir. How are you?
Kansas? Oh, that's not bad. I don't really have time to go get my battery, though. We're only doing 5 watts.
Hey, Roger, Bob, what kind of amplifier you got? Very good. All right, well, I hope you enjoy it and make lots of contacts with it. Roger. Okay.
Everything's
Bob,
really...
thanks for checking in, and we'll talk to you later. Maritime Mobile Service Network. We're taking general check-in with or without traffic.
Kilo Golf 7 Hotel Victor Romeo. I'm not gonna get in. It's just too many people are always popping in there.
I got Kilo 1 Romeo Mike America. Is that call sign correct?
When you're 5 watts,
Correct, sir.
you need to make sure there's nobody talking.
I got Kilo Mike 4 Tango Uniform Kilo. Is that call sign correct? Okay, hold on, sir. Kilo 1 Romeo Mike America. Go ahead, sir.
Like, you are not gonna win with a 5-watt radio. Wow, East Coast is coming in good.
Your signal here is swinging between a 7 and a 9. Sounding, your modulation is outstanding. This is K1RNA, back to net control. Okay, sir, well, I just turned my preamp drop off, and you're about the same. You're 5'7" to 5'9", and also good modulation there from Connecticut. Anything going on today? Negative. We just had some rain passing through, which we really don't need. But I understand we're going into a drier spell now. But anyway, again, thank you very much for the job you do, sir. This is K1RMA. Fine business, Don. Thanks a lot for checking in. And you have a great Memorial weekend holiday. Kilo Mike 4, Tango Uniform Kilo. Mark, come on in.
Looks like it's starting to fade.
Well, Mark, we're having a pretty good day too. A little cooler than the previous week, but it's doing okay, sir. No, thank goodness, no rain and no
So much
tornadoes.
dust and everything. And this has been sitting in a drawer. I don't leave it out in the open.
Alright, fine business. I got you about 5'3" here, maybe 5'5" feet into Olathe, Kansas. Well, that's okay. I got a 100-watt radio into 1 kW linear, so, you know, if I disable the linear, I'll be the same as you.
That's another problem too. We would barely be able to probably hear him if he didn't have his amp on. Which means the chances of him hearing me with 5 watts are pretty slim.
Yes, sir. Mark, my name is George. Nice to meet you, and feel free to check back whenever, and I hope you have a great Memorial weekend.
I'll try a couple times though. I mean, I'm not gonna just go once and be like, I give up.
This is Whiskey 6 Bravo Delta Delta for the Maritime Mobile Service Network. We are looking for general check-in with or without traffic.
Kilo Golf 7, Hotel Victor Romeo. Kilo Golf 7, Hotel Victor Romeo.
The Delta Net Control Station for the Maritime Mobile Service Network. It is the dinner time.
So it was quiet enough to where if he was going to hear me, he would have heard me.
And we're looking for general check-in with or without traffic.
Kilo Golf 7, Hotel Victor Romeo.
Kilo Mike 4 Alpha Juliet Papa.
So I've had like 3 good tries just right there. So I don't have enough power, and he's already said he's running 1,000 watts, so you know you're not going to get into that. So the easiest guys to work are going to be the POTA guys, because they're running low power. If you can hear them, there's a pretty good chance they can hear you, because they're not going to be an alligator station. I'm hoping this might be a POTA guy. You can see a signal right in here. I'm surprised this battery is still working. This is the main reason I bought this radio. I don't want to hook a battery to it. I want to grab it and go. And the waterfall on here is pretty damn good. I think somebody's right about there. Yeah. This is another reason I don't like it when people go split frequencies, where they're like, oh, I'm at 250 or 500 hertz. It's like 0.5. You don't need to be 0.5. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and charge this thing up, and we'll try later.